If you're tired of fake AI plastic images and you want images that look like professional photo shoots, you need to see this now. Today, I will show you Higgsfield Soul 2.0, the new AI image generator that is gonna be a game changer for Pinterest content and for social media content in general. Most tools struggle with style, but Soul 2.0, it's a culture native AI. It actually understands fashion, editorial aesthetics, and AI photography. Whether you need a consistent AI character for your brand, and spoiler alert, the results are incredible, or you just need lifestyle photos for your blog or content creation, this new tool solves a big problem we had before. It looks like real images, real photos, and not anymore that plastic look you needed to work around with your prompt. I've talked about Higgsfield before, and you're gonna see the other video over here, but the Soul 2.0 is a next level tool for creating especially AI consistent characters and lifestyle images. You can either create your own character, or you can even create a character of yourself, and more on that later on in this video because I will teach you also that. By the end of this video, you will know how to create high quality, high converting content for your Pinterest profile or for your social media and content in general. Let's jump on my computer and I will show you how I'm using it. Okay, so we are inside of Higgsfield AI and we're gonna use the Soul 2.0, this one over here. You can just click here, or otherwise you can just come to to image, generate image, and here you're gonna select the model, the Higgsfield AI, the Higgsfield Soul 2.0, and here you're gonna be able to generate. So I'm just playing around. Okay, so this model has a lot of presets over here. We have the general, ambient, so each one has a different aesthetic, and they are really interesting because you can create images very easily with different aesthetics without needing to have huge prompts. So I'm just gonna show you a few examples. I had the very same prompt. It's not so complicated but also not so basic. Basically, I wanted to generate a photo of a brunette woman with a turtleneck sweater in ivory color and the second skirt in champagne color, and I was playing around with different presets. I didn't use any character here. We will talk about this in a minute because this function is insane. It's really good. I was very surprised on how good it is from the previous Soul, like the first version. So here I have the very same prompt with some different presets. Like this one, I used the candy pop. It looks very realistic. It looks like a selfie that was done by a real person in a closet. You can see the skin. It looks like skin. It doesn't look like a plastic skin. This one, it was using the serum preset. Of course, it doesn't make sense because I don't think there would be a mirror in the middle of the beach, but anyway. This one was with the warm ambient. So using the same prompt, you can get very different results just changing the preset over here. Here are a few other examples. This one is using the swag era, so they look very realistic. You can see like the mirror was a little dirty over here. You can see some grains in the photo, some texture. Here's another example using the theoretical light, always the same prompt. You can see it's very different, looking like an editorial. It's very fashion friendly, great for Pinterest, for generating content. Here are a few other examples. This one is using the preset called street photography, looking a lot like a street photography. They are looking amazing. I'm so excited to use them. This one is the editorial street style. They look a lot like an editorial, or they can even be used for creating ads. They look amazing. And like I said, all these different variations, we're only changing the preset over here and exploring some of them, but with the very same prompt. Okay, so I would say one of the best things about Soul 2.0 is the character consistent. Now, I want to show you how to create a character. All you need to do is either come here and click on character, and you're gonna be able to generate a new character over here. All you need to do is click create new character, and you're gonna be able to upload the images. Okay, so I added a lot of photos here from different angles, selfies, not selfies, anything. So I added 63 photos because it asked it to be more than 20, and when I uploaded 20 it said just good. Now I uploaded 63 photos. Let's see how it goes. Then, okay, character name, you can put the name of your character here. Let me change it. Well, I'm just doing myself, so let's just put it like this. And now let's generate. I'm very excited to see how it goes. It's in the queue. Okay, awful selfie that it just made there. I actually had generated a previous one of myself with some photos of the soul. I mean, with my own photos with the soul, the first one. Now I'm gonna wait for this one. Okay, so my character was generated and the consistency of character is incredible. I was trying some photos and both with like simple prompts or more specific ones, like some of them really look like myself. Like this one, I also think this one looks a lot like myself. I did a lot of trials over here with different presets, different prompts, and they are looking really good. I tried a lot of different photos, also some like these which have a very simple prompt. I will show you in a second, but the generation consistency of the AI avatar is incredible. Like, look at these photos. I could definitely use them for my personal branding. They look really good, very professional, very, let's say, realistic looking. And I also try some editorial styles, like more fashion outfit, and the consistency of character is really good. They all look like myself. I mean, I was trying also some other things that I show you in a second, but I wanted to show you some of the photos that I put also my glasses, and they look like real photos, very realistic. So the results are incredible. Like almost every photo it had generated, it looked like myself. So it's a very big advance from the previous one. I had tried the previous one, and maybe I show you a quick example in the screen right here so we can compare the same. But now most of the photos look a lot like myself. I also did some outfit ones. Look at this one, also look like myself. I try many different prompts, different ideas, and the consistency of the AI avatar is really good. Most of the photos, like 90% of the generations, really look like myself. It's a very good improvement from the previous one. Now, going back in the photos of the podcast style, I want to show you something because I did, for instance, the photos that I generated like this, they have a very long prompt, a lot of details on my outfit, the pose, the smile, the accessories, like everything is written here. But I want to show you that it's also possible with a very simple prompt like this one. I will just copy here and we can do something live over here and try it together. Okay, so I will select my character over here, myself. Okay, the filter. Let's go with general one because I want to create something very simple, like photorealistic portrait of a brown-haired woman laughing joyfully while recording podcast in a bright minimalist studio. So with this simple one, I will generate, we're gonna get already some very good results, but maybe I also add some details about her outfit so we can get something even better. She's wearing a beige lino shirt with simple gold accessories. Okay, let's see how it goes. Okay, so here is like the very simple prompt. I don't know why it even created like an Instagram thing, but we can easily remove that using the InPaint tool. Just gonna go here and erase whatever you don't want. But let's go back where we were before. Like, look at this, the character consistent, even with a very, very simple prompt, is still really good. Also this one with a little more details, even though it made me a little older than it should have done. But the character consistency is really good. Of course, like everything else, longer prompts is going to get you amazing results. Look like this one. Like the prompt is really good, but as you can see, you can generate also very simple ones. Let me try something more simple also for the outfit so I can quickly show you. Let's go with a woman with long brown hair. Let's go with straight hair. Sorry about the keyboard noise. She's wearing a beige turtleneck sweater. Let me go jade green mini pleated skirt. Oops. Mini green pleated skirt. I don't know. Let me go with nude high heels. She's in a Parisian street. Okay, now, but maybe instead of the general, let's go with the street photo. Let's generate this one and maybe let's get another idea. Maybe let's go with the digital camera. Yeah, let's go also with the digital camera. And while we are here, I also wanted to try a generation with the editorial street style. Okay, so here we have some of the generations. Those over here also with the AI avatar consistency, also looking like myself. Most of them, my outfit, the prompt adherence also very good, the Parisian street, and this one was the digital camera style. This one is the editorial street style. It has like this cool kind of different angle. I would say it's the one that I look less like myself, but still really good. Oh my gosh, this one really looked like myself. The street photography looking really, really good. It looks very realistic. We have some grains in the photo, some noise. The skin is looking like a skin. It doesn't look like a plastic skin. So, okay, those are really, really good. It's insane. So as you can see, simple prompts, big prompts, everything is working fine. So I just copied the prompt of some nails that I did before, and just to see how it's gonna look like over here. I'm doing the general one, but I think maybe we could try something else. Let me see what could work over here. I think maybe the digital camera could work. Okay, so here is the general one. They look really, really good as well. The skin has some texture. Also the nails, they don't look plastic. Really good. This one was using the general one. The prompt adherence also really good. I mean, the prompt is very long. I'm not gonna read it, but I had all the details of the photography, the style, and also the nail art, which was what I wanted to generate in this photo. And for example, this one, those over here on the top are done with the digital camera, a little more like, I would say, real life, kind of behind the scenes. So if you want to generate images that look very professional, the general ones or the editorial would be great. If you want something a little more realistic, you can definitely go with the digital camera. We would find some images like this on Pinterest as well. Now, I wanted to show you that you don't always need to generate only people. You can do also other things over here. I was trying before some food, so I will quickly show you both food or maybe an interior design image.
we can generate here as well. I will go with both of them with the general preset, and I'm just gonna create a very quick and easy and simple prompt. Let's go with a photo of a Pokeball with smoked salmon, black rice, and mommy beans and soy sauce. I will just write that. Let's see what it's gonna create. Okay, so here are the generations. They all look really, really good, very realistic. I will go with a photo of a living room in beige aesthetic style. Let's just go like this and see what it can create. So I can show you that even very, very simple prompts can get very good results. Okay, so here are the images. This is to show you that even with very, very simple prompts, you can get amazing results, which are incredible. They are also very, I would say, Pinterest friendly, great aesthetic. And this is to show you that even very, very simple prompts can get you great results. You don't need to be an expert on prompt writing, but if you want to learn more about prompt writing, please comment prompt on my comments and I will do a video about it.
And this is how you can use Soul 2.0 to create images that look super realistic for high-end photo shoots or even for lifestyle and very realistic real-life images to your content. If you want to build a brand that people actually trust and click on, consistency is definitely key. And using the Soul AI avatar is definitely a great way to create consistent images for your Pinterest profile, for your website, and for your social media in general. Don't forget to check the link in my description and in the pinned comment to try Higgsfield AI Soul 2.1 for yourself, and don't forget to comment how you will be using it. Now, at this point of the video, especially if you're in the fashion niche, we talk a lot about this niche today, you may be wondering how to create very realistic videos from the images you created in this tutorial. So your next step should be watch this next video where I teach you how to create viral fashion and outfit videos very easily with AI.